Today we're asking, what's the deal with Headspace? So in this video, we're going to be sharing 3 things with you. 1, what is it? 2, why do people use it? And 3, what makes it cool?
Hey everyone, I'm Andrew.
I'm Julie.
And together we're 324 Weekly TV, your source for news, reviews, and tips you can use about mindfulness and meditation. What is it? Well, we know it's a practice meditation app. It's iPhone, Android, there is a website, but most people would download it on their phone because you can use it on the go. Launched in 2012, and they were one of the first. So there are several apps, and in later shows, we talk about apps in general, but we thought we would do a review specifically on the Headspace app because it is pretty much the number one at this point in time from attraction.
So one of the things that we found interesting and cool about the Headspace app is that the founder, Andy Puddicombe, he was a monk and he was trained as a monk, and he was really interested in health and wellness and using meditation as a way to inspire greater health and wellness in the world, and so we're excited about that. That he's the
I mean, it's what he's trying to do is make meditation accessible for everybody, and that they're boiling it down. So when you talk about what is it, it's intention oriented. So in non-meditation technical terms, it means if you want to improve your sleep, if you want better concentration, if you'd like to learn to eat slower. It's being used for weight loss, and it's being used very effectively because you eat slower. And this is the type of thing this app teaches you, which of course having it on your phone makes it a lot more accessible because it's lunchtime.
Yeah, and Andy Puddicombe he's coming from a place of real practice, and I think that's evident. You hear it in his voice, you hear it in the programs that they do. Plus, they make it easy and accessible. They're little cartoons, it's easy to enter into, easy to follow, you feel welcome.
So why do people use it? Easy to use, it's simple, and from a paywall perspective, there's lots of things, especially if you're a new meditator or you're new to the app, to try the different settings, if you like, or the different potential practices. And then you buy packs, so you can, if you like sleep, there you can start with the first meditation and then add on. You can do monthly subscriptions. So there's a lot of flexibility. So it's if you're new and you're trying meditation for the very first time, there's 1-minute practices, 2-minute practices, and they're really simple, intentional. And Julie, and to your point, I think they've got these great instructional videos that are all illustrative and kind of like are illustrative.
Yeah, we like illustration.
We like illustrative.
Yeah.
So what makes it cool?
Well, it's playful. There's a sense of playfulness to it, and it do give you an opportunity to try different things before you sign up and pay for it. So you get a taste of something. If it resonates with you, if you think it's going to be valuable for you, then you can sign up to pay. Yeah. So, apps, all the different apps have different programs. Some are completely free, some are, packages. But Headspace is giving you a combination of those 2 things. You get to try it, you get to see if you like it, and you get to sign up and have access to all their videos if you're getting a monthly plan, I think.
Totally.
Yeah.
And one last super cool thing is they actually don't position themselves as a technology company. They call themselves a wellness healthcare company, and you may not know, they just raised $30 million, and they're going for federal drug administration approval. So launching a different app, it's 3 years in the making, if I read the press release right, and they're going for FDA approval. So professionals, whether they're registered psychiatrists, etc., that can write prescriptions. So instead of writing a prescription for a pharmacological solution, they're going to be able to write as a prescription for their patients to do meditation. So that, I think, is one of
it's incredible, really.
Yeah.
So we're looking at now a whole change in how we're viewing health, in a way, and how we address health issues, and not just mental health issues, but physical issues as well. So it's really shaking something up, and they're the leaders, and so we really want to congratulate them on that, and we're thrilled to see what happens.
And remember, we're 324 Weekly TV, where we offer you news, reviews, and tips you can use about mindfulness and meditation. If you like what we do, please comment.
Yeah, or and ring the little bell at the bottom there so that you can sign up and get our videos weekly. We'd love that. We'd love to hear from you. We'd like to get your feedback. If there's information that we've talked about, we haven't got it quite right, or you want to add something to it, please let us know. We want to create a resource for everybody so that everybody can come on and read the comments and learn from each other.
Absolutely. Yeah. It's a community. So subscribe, ring the bell, and until next time, I'm Andrew.
I'm Julie.
And we're 324 Weekly TV.
See you.
Right here in front. Right in front of you.